everyone! Welcome to Hishytown Press, where we make learning fun for little kids and big kids. Today, we begin with the first lesson on tracing, writing, and coloring the alphabet. There are 26 lessons. We'll show your little one how to trace and write the letter A, the first of the 26 letters in the alphabet. So grab some paper, pencils, crayons, or markers, and let's get started. We are working off the first page in the Workbook series, ABC 1, 2, 3, for kids ages 3 to 4, Book 1, the letter A. If you don't have the book and want to follow the demonstration, there is a link to download a copy of page 1 in the description below. This is the capital letter A. It's the first letter of the alphabet. Next to it, we have the small letter A. Do you know that there is a standard way to write the alphabet? Here, I'll show you the alphabet and numbers chart. In the chart, it shows all the strokes related to each letter in the alphabet and the numbers from 0 to 10. Using the chart, I am going to demonstrate how to write the capital letter A. To write the capital letter A, you need to make 3 simple strokes, and we'll break it down step by step. But first, where do we write the letter A? We'll write them inside these lines. This is the top line, this is the center line, and this is the bottom line. Top line, center line, and bottom line. Got it? Great! Now let's start the demonstration by tracing the letter A. First, find where the little star is. Put your pencil on the line right underneath, on the top line, and make the first slanting line. Draw the line diagonally from top to bottom left. From top to bottom left, make sure it's nice and straight. Now, we start tracing the second line. We repeat what we did, except this time, we start from the top and draw a diagonal line to the bottom right. From top to bottom right, just like this. Good! We finished tracing the letter A by drawing a sleeping line in the middle, from left to right, connecting the first slanting line to the second line. Now it's your turn. Get your paper and pencil ready. Start where the capital letter A is, the second one on the first line. Locate where the little star is, put your pencil underneath, on the line, and begin to trace the letter. Let's do it together. Remember, first slanting line, top to bottom left, second slanting line, top to bottom right, and connect them with a sleeping line in the middle. Great job! Let's do another one. Wonderful! Let's do another one. Oh, look at here! There is only a little star and no A for us to trace. What should we do? We'll write the A on the line underneath where the star is like we did before. Remember, first slanting line, top to bottom left, second slanting line, top to bottom right, and connect them with a sleeping line in the middle. Great job! Let's do another one. The letter A, apple, apple. Does everyone have fun so far? We just finished tracing and writing 4 capital letters A. Let's come to the second line and do a few more. Look, what do we have here? There are no more little stars. That's okay. We know how to write the capital A by now. Do you agree? Let's write 4 more A to fill out the line. Great job! Everyone! Oh, look, what do we have here? The small letter A. It is waiting patiently down here when we learn to write the capital A. Now it can't wait for us to know how to write it too. Let's learn to write the small letter A. This is the small letter A. To write it, you need to make 2 simple strokes, and we'll break it down step by step. Like before, we find the little star and put the tip of the pencil on the line. Do you see it? It is down here on the center line, not high up there. Remember, the small letter A begins at the center line, and that's why we call it a small A. Let's make a small curved line from top to bottom. It's like drawing a small C shape. Make sure the small A begins at the center line. Now, to complete the small A, we add a small standing line from the beginning to the end of our curved line. This closes the letter A and gives it its shape. Make sure the standing line begins at the center line also. Now it's your turn. Get your paper and pencil ready. Remember, a curved line, and then connect it with a standing line. Let's do it together. We begin by tracing the small letter A over here. Find the little star, put your pencil tip at the center line, follow the shape of the letter, make a curved line, and connect it with a standing line. Good job! Let's do it again. Find the little star, put your pencil tip at the center line, follow the shape of the letter, make a curved line, and connect it with a standing line. What do we have here? We will write the small a on our own with no tracing. Can you write it? Of course you can. Let's write it. Remember, put your pencil tip at the center line, make a curved line, and connect it with a standing line. Just like that. Write it one more time. The letter A. Airplane. Airplane. Look, there are more A's down here in the fourth line. Can we write 5 more? I bet you can. Let's do it. Wow, look at all the A's we traced and wrote. Impressive, huh? Down here, everyone, the capital letter A and the small letter a sit together, side by side. Isn't that nice? The capital letter A looks big next to the small a, doesn't it? Do you still remember how to write the capital letter A? First slanting line, top to bottom left, second slanting line, top to bottom right, and connect them with a sleeping line in the middle. And the small letter A, first a curved line, and then connect it with a standing line. Very good. I am glad you remember. Let's trace the capital letter A and the small letter a together. First, the capital letter A, first slanting line, top to bottom left, second slanting line, top to bottom right, and connect them with a sleeping line in the middle. Then, the small letter a curved line, and then connect it with a standing line. Let's trace another one, okay? Very good. Now there's empty space here. What do we do when we see a large open space on the line? We fill them with letter A's. Let's write them here, together. Write one more, and we'll finish the whole page. Great job, everyone! I hope you enjoy learning to write the letter A's. Before we leave, let's color the letter A up here. Let's color them red. Wonderful! So, to recap, we can write the letter A in 2 ways, the capital letter A and the small letter a. Writing the capital letter A is as simple as a first slanting line, top to bottom left, second slanting line, top to bottom right, and connect them with a sleeping line in the middle. Writing the small letter A is as simple as a curved line, followed by a standing line to close it off. Keep practicing, and don't worry if it's not perfect at first. You can always try again and have fun. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting ways to learn. Bye for now.